Assalamu alaikum. I'm Imran. Today I want to share one thing with you. As you know, we have gone through the 30 days of the Ramzan, and we followed perfectly the all rules and regulations of the religion. What fast needs, we followed. Now, 30 days practice of observing fast. What we have learned and what we should do throughout the year, the rest of the months. One thing we must learn, that we must not leave any righteousness, we must control our desires, we must stand, we must know that to abstain ourselves from any sin, and we should feel for the poor people. When you observe fast from early morning till the evening, we must realize that how the poor people live, how difficult it is when a child does not have anything in his stomach. He is too thirsty or too hungry. The purpose of observing fast is to take care of others, especially those who are not privileged. They are deprived of the food or the water or the facilities. These 30 days we basically are practicing. We are practicing that rest of other months we will take care of the poor people, we will control our desires, we will lead a very righteous life, and we will be away from the all sins. If rest of the months we follow, we act upon these rules and regulations, definitely our purpose is achieved. Otherwise, after 30 days observations, after 30 days the fasting, again you come on the same track. Do not take care of poor, and we do not follow the righteous way. We should not act upon the good things. Then it is the wastage of time, wastage